Want to turn boring task list into clean, colorful, drag and drop experience with React and Tailwind CSS? Then you are in the right place. In this video, now let's import useState for managing the task and input to-do item, our custom component to display each task, drag drop concert. Let's build and solve together. So let's start with setting up the project. First, open your terminal and run this command to create a new Vite project called to-do app. Now go into your project folder and install the default dependencies. Next, install Tailwind CSS and Vite plugin. This gives you full utility first styling power. In your Vite configuration, import the Tailwind plugin and include it inside the plugin array. Now go to the index.css and simply import Tailwind like this. This gives you access to all utility classes. Now our setup is done. Now let's create a component called to-do item. app.jsx, the main component. Now let's import useState for managing the task and input to-do item, our custom component to display each task, drag drop concert, droppable, draggable for drag drop functionality, and uuid generates unique ID for each task, an array of task object ID text and completed. Task input stored what typed in the input box. Add a task function, check for the empty input, add a task with a unique ID and reset input. Delete task function removes the task by filtering out the given ID. Toggle complete function flips the completed state of the task when clicked. Drag functionality handles reordering when a task is dragged and dropped to the new position. Now let's move to the UI part. Full screen centered container with padding and nice shape. Input for adding tasks and buttons styled with the tailwind and hover effects. Wrap the task list in the draggable context. Now let's see the to-do component. We start by importing React and delete icon from lucide for our delete button. This is the functional component that takes 4 props: task, the task object with its task and completed state; On delete, a function to delete the task, on toggle to toggle completion, and provided for drag and drop library. This li element is draggable thanks to the props from React Beautiful DND. It also changes the style if the task is marked completed, adding a strike through and changing the text. Clicking the span toggle, the task completion status, the flex grow, make sure it takes up the space before the delete button. This button triggers the delete function. We use a rose color for delete icon with a subtle hover effect. And that's it. The component handles a display, toggle, delete, drag and all. Now let's check how our app is working. I will quickly. This is the home screen of the app. It's simple, minimal and easy to use. You can start by entering a task in the input field and hitting the add button. The task is then added to the list. I will quickly add a few more tasks so we can see the drag and drop and delete feature. To remove the task, just click the delete icon on the right. The task disappears immediately. This version of the app is already powerful with the basic task management, reordering and clean UI. But next I am thinking to add a check circle in this to check if the task is complete. Now let's import the check circle to icon in this component. Clicking anywhere on the checkbox plus text toggle the task completion. The check circle to icon, green when completed and gray when not completed, with smooth transition using Tailwind CSS. Now let's run the app and check the implementation. Each task has a check icon to the toggle completion, a delete icon to remove it, and it's even draggable. How cool is that? Let's try clicking this task. See that it smoothly strikes through the text and the icon color changes to green. That's because we are using the check circle tool from Lucido and React transition. Clicking the cross icon deletes it instantly with the smooth hover effect. All actions are super smooth and snap. And yes, you can also rearrange tasks using drag and drop. If you found this project helpful or inspiring, smash that like button, drop your thoughts or questions in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more React and Tailwind projects, coding challenges and creative build every